Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a standard range battery, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer tow package, which comes equipped with the 9.6 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard. Taking a look at the back here, we do got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a black platformed gripped running board, side view camera, you got some lights here, blind spot detection, and we do get a place to plug in your vehicle since it is electric, which is pretty nice. And moving to the front here, we got recovery hooks, license plate bracket, that nice faux grille, front view camera, and that nice signature LED light bar. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered Frunk, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you tons of storage. You have hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, and there's all your outlets right there that you can turn on, and you do get some storage underneath with your mobile power cord and all that fun stuff. And to close, all you have to do, hit there or hit the key fob, and it will go down automatically. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space up front. We do get carpet interiors, cup holders, USB-Cs, and 120 volt just right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with that being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Lights, frunk, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 26.6 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info. Oh, I guess there's no fuel since it's electric, but you get the point. Towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we have a gear select. It is collapsible, which is pretty nice. Little storage cubby, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. You got your trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage below and above. Well, you know what I mean. Storage above as well. We get a 360 view of your vehicle right here, hazards and traction. And looking here, we have our audio, which AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, all that fun. And any apps you may download will show right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your vehicle settings right here, and your features of the vehicle, which include your drive modes, which do include normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery. You got one pedal drive, locking differential, hill descent, all that fun, trip energy, and all that fun. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG11038, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.